How to remove brown spots on vintage fabric. Removing brown spots on vintage fabric can be challenging as the fabric may be delicate and prone to damage. Here are a few methods you can try. Try a specialized stain remover. There are many different types of stain removers available that are specifically formulated to remove brown stains from vintage fabrics. Follow the instructions on the product to apply it to the stain and let it sit for the recommended amount of time before laundering. Use a mixture of equal parts water and vinegar. Mix together equal parts water and vinegar and apply the mixture to the stain using a clean cloth. Rub the mixture into the stain and let it sit for a few minutes before laundering. Try a paste of baking soda and water. Mix together a paste of baking soda and water and apply it to the stain. Rub the paste into the stain and let it sit for a few hours before laundering. If the stain persists after trying these methods, you may need to repeat the process or consult with a professional cleaner for additional assistance. Be sure to handle the fabric gently and avoid using harsh chemicals or excessive heat, as these can cause further damage to the fabric. If you want to see more of our videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop.